Turn around and stare at you.
Like in Nemo.
Hey, good morning guys. So here on my last day in Copenhagen. I was supposed to actually take a train out this morning, and then I realized something last night. I have not showed you guys the Little Mermaid, and this is for the main reason is because I've already been to the Little Mermaid, but not when I had this vlog. So I realized there's no way I can come to Copenhagen and not take you guys down there and let you guys check it out. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to consider taking one of the river cruises. I've done that several times before, but you know, you guys haven't seen it. So it depends on the weather. It's really, really cloudy, windy, gloomy, kind of chilly today, and it might rain. So if it rains, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go hit the David Collection Museum. It's the largest collection of Islamic art in Scandinavia, and we'll check that out. So one way or the other, we got a little bit of an adventure on the last day here. And yeah, taking you guys with me as usual. Yeah, and that's what you get with the Little Mermaid. I'm not hating on them. Like mass tourism groups are just a part of travel. But I would say that this is probably one of the most overrated tourist attractions anywhere in Europe. And if you don't see it, you're not missing anything, honestly. But the park that it's in, that's another story. Absolutely beautiful. It's close to the harbor where the cruise ships come in. So if you actually come on a cruise, it's easy to just walk straight from your ship over here. Okay, so I think this is one of the royal houses. This one right behind me. I think that's one, like, if the prince and the princess are in town, they got a big flag. Oh, I think it's that one. There's normally a flag there if they're actually in town. Over here is the museum, like the residence museum. So all of this entire area used to be where the royal family lived. And then down here is their ship. I'll walk down there in a second. And then these guards are actually kind of cool. Because unlike the guards at Buckingham Palace, these guys will talk to you and, like, you know, tell you which direction to go. It's pretty cool. So I know for a fact, because I've seen it, none of these are like the royal barge. Last time I was here was like all in refurbishment. Bleh. So Danes, let me know where the hell this thing is so I can find it. Yeah, so that was David's collection. It was a collection started in the early 1900s by Christian David. He was a wealthy attorney, basically a Danish aristocrat. He didn't have any kids. He didn't have a wife, so he left everything to the city. And that's how we got this wonderful collection. A lot of people wonder why I always go to museums anywhere in London, in New York, here in Kuala Lumpur, Bangkok, everywhere. I love museums, and especially because I grew up devoid of any kind of museums or culture or any kind of exposure to art. Or really history, to be honest. So when I went to university, I triple majored in government history and English. In history, I specialized in medieval European history. So I actually, at one point, I can give you the lineage of pretty much every single king and queen in Europe for a certain time period. And when I come to places like David's collection and see such a vast and beautiful collection of Islamic art, I feel like it's extremely special because Europe really has disregarded Islamic art, historically speaking. Not only European art collectors in general, but the Catholic Church and the Crusaders. When these European nations would eventually conquer Islamic caliphates or dynasties, especially along the Mediterranean and Spain, they would destroy everything and convert everybody to Christianity. So to actually see a collection this large and wonderful in Europe is really something special. It's the largest Islamic art collection in Scandinavia, and it pales in comparison to the Islamic Art Museum in Kuala Lumpur, which is brilliant. I hope to show you guys that here in January. But yeah, if you guys have an opportunity to come and check out David's collection, absolutely do so.
Look, he's going to turn around, watch. Turn it around.
Don't drop it on the floor.
That was a good dance.
That's not mine, no.
Look.
Altså herinde i venstre hjørne, det er ret svært at se det, men inde i venstre hjørne, der ligger der en lille båd. Den er sådan cirka 1 meter lang og 1,5 meter bred. Det er bare sådan en lille bitte gummibåd. Og den sejler vi altså faktisk rundt i, når vi skal fodre herinde. Meget rundt om sig selv. Den kan se 360 grader rundt sådan en hammerhaj. Så har vi også sortsittede revhajer, der svømmede blandt andet i nede i bunden her før. Den er ikke så giftig, at de kunne dræbe os. Og for eksempel sådan en margruppe pikhalerokke, som ligger hernede nu, den er altså ikke giftig nok til, at den kan dræbe os. Men den har en pik, som er noget af det, I skal forestille jer, sådan ret stor og meget skarp, sådan en slagterkniv.
Hey, as you guys can see, the weather is turning bad, so I'm trying to hustle back and call it a day. It's only like 5:30, which is, yeah, it looks like it's about 9 o'clock. It is my last day in Copenhagen. I have absolutely no idea where I'm going tomorrow, which is part of the amazing thing about my life is that I can wake up tomorrow morning and decide if I want to go to Berlin or Amsterdam or Norway or Romania or wherever I want to go tomorrow. And I think everybody should strive for that. So again, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys tomorrow.